This is Excel 2016 using data types to populate a worksheet in Lesson 2. We're on the enter dates step by step. I have opened the O2 Fabricam sales workbook from the data files in this lesson. I'll click cell B5 and type the date 1/4/2017. Press enter. In cell B6, type 1/25/17. Notice I dropped off the 20. Press enter. Notice Excel put the 20 in the 2017. In cell B7, I'm going to type just 1/23. Notice the format change of the date. I want to click back on cell B7 and note in the formula bar that it automatically defaulted to this year, 2020. I'm going to change that to 2017. In cell B8, I'm going to type 1/28/2017 and press enter. In cell B9, I'm going to type out the word January 21, 2017. Note again, Excel changes my date formatting. If you enter a date in a different format or have already entered something in a cell and deleted it, then your worksheet might not reflect the results you